Students, take out your English textbook of class 4 and look at page 12 on exercise C. Now students, if you see the exercise C, they are asking us to match the dialogues with its speaker. We have to match the dialogues with its speaker, with mother dialogue with mother dialogue, beast dialogue. We have to match beast dialogue with beast dialogue, squirrel, Anna, ant, plant. So let's start it. If I don't work, we will have nothing to eat in the winter. If you remember, squirrel have said this in the book. We can also check it. Okay. Look at here. If I do not work now, we will have nothing to eat in the harsh winter. Who said? The squirrel said. Is that clear? So we will match it with squirrel. So student, I hope you will also match the first sentence with the squirrel. Now look at the second one. I don't mind how heavy it is. Students, if you remember, ant has said to Anna, I do not mind how heavy it is, the ant said. So we will match it with the ant, the second sentence. Look at the third sentence. You are old enough to do some work. If you remember, students, the mother has said to her daughter Anna, like, you are old enough to do some work. So we will match the third dialogue with the mother because mother has said it. Look at the fourth one. All plants must work to make their food or they will never grow. Students, if you look at the second last paragraph, all plants must work to make their food or they will never grow. The plant was telling to Anna. So we will match fourth one with the plant. I hope you have also noted down with me. Now look at the fifth sentence. I am collecting nectar. Nectar. The bee has said to Anna. Like, I am always collecting nectar to make honey. So buzzing bee has said to Anna, I don't like to work. We all know that Anna has said frequently to her mother many times that she is not she don't like to do work. So we will match this last option with Anna. So let's match it. I hope you are also doing it with me. Now student, after completing this, look at page 13 or exercise A. What we have to do in exercise A on page 13, think of two appropriate words which describe the qualities of the following and write them in the space provided. One is done for you. Like, Anna, what word we have to think two appropriate word which fits on their personality and on their character accurately. Now let's do it. Let's start it. Anna, as we all know in this story, Anna was a lazy girl and she don't like to do any work. So we will write lazy and we will write ideal with it. Lazy and ideal because she don't like to do any work, and ideal she always avoiding to do her homework as well as to help her mother in her household. So that's why we have written ideal with her. Now look at the second one, squirrel. As we know, squirrel was very tense very worried about her family, about the winters, about the food. So we will write here concern. He was very concerned, and he was obviously he was concerned, and with concern he was working hard for it. So we will write hard working. Concern and hard working. Squirrel were concerned and hard working. So write it with me. If you remember the chapter, bee was very busy in making nectar to make honey, collecting nectar to make honey. So we will write busy with bee, and with that she was steadfast. So we will write busy and steadfast with bee. So write it down with me. Steadfast, we will write busy and steadfast. Steadfast because she was firm and she was devoted uh, to achieve her goal or to complete her goal. So we will. That's why we have wrote it steadfast here. Now with and we will write yes, she was small and she was happy with it, and she was dedicated, and she was very much. So with and we have written happy and dedicated. The happy was because she was small, still she was happy, and dedicated because she was very much concerned, she was very much focused to accomplish her goal. So that's why we have write dedicated here. I hope today's lecture is clear to you, and you have also noted down all these things with in your book. And all is that for today. I hope the lecture is clear. Okay, thank you from my side.